with smiles on your face. Lecture notes is a college level activity. Put your hands to your face. Go like this, go, ooh. I know, it's pretty neat, huh? So we're going to act like college students, and you know, I wasn't really sure. Should I do this at the college level? Shouldn't I? But you know, when I walked in here and I saw the way that you work in here, right away I'm like, oh, this is college level. Got it down. So we're going to do a college level lecture note. When we do the lecture notes, it's going to do two things. You are going to learn two things from the lecture notes. How many? Two. You are going to learn information and how to write information. What are you going to do?
Learn information and write information.
That's right. So today I'm going to teach you something, and it's something in science. But while you're learning information in science, I want you also to know this is how you would write information too. So tell the people at your table, what is it that you're going to learn today? How to write information and to
learn information.
Okay, let me just show you something that I just saw. I saw people leaning in. Let's show them what you did, guys. Stand up and lean in. See how they were standing up and talking to each other? And leaning in and talking, and my friend's coming over here right away, ready to go. And they just tell everybody at the table really quickly, what are you going to do? You're going to
learn information and write information.
Everybody, show me. Let's give them a ooh, first of all. Ready, go. Ooh. Show me how you know how to stand, lean in, and tell the people at your table. Ready, quick, go. What are we going to learn?
Learn information and write information.
Excellent. Take a seat. All right. So now you have your paper in front of you. Can I show you your paper? Is that okay? Okay. So in your paper in front of you, raise your hand if you've ever been on the computer. Okay. So this is called, when you set up a page, portrait. This is called landscape. Oh my goodness. Just stop. You're so smart. All right. Turn your paper in the landscape position. Keep the two papers stacked together. Turn in the landscape position. Look at your neighbor so your neighbor has it correctly done. Make sure. I love how you look at each other's paper. You're also just so nicely saying it. All right, you ready? Let's go ahead, and I'm going to draw your paper. Are you doing this? Say no.
No.
I'm just going to draw. That's supposed to be your paper there. All right. Now, boys and girls, we are going to write information. So everyone go like this. Say introduction.
Introduction.
Body.
Body.
Conclusion.
Conclusion.
How many parts are there when I write information? Everybody tell me.
3.
3. Let's check. Ready? Introduction. Body. Conclusion. Tell the people at your table the 3 parts. Ready? Go. Ooh, look how you're standing and talking. Go.
Introduction. Body. Conclusion.
All right. This group's way too fast. I'm going to get somebody. That's for sure. Number 11, where are you? All right. Tell us the 3 parts of information. Is it conclusion or introduction?
Introduction.
Oh. What's this? And then this. Is it introduction or conclusion at the bottom? Is he right?
Yes.
You are right. Ready, go. You are right. All right, now let me tell you a secret. You ready? Put your hands up like this. Everyone go, introduction.
Introduction.
You see how this looks like 2 mouths? Almost like they're talking to you, like, hi, I'm going to introduce the information to you. Introduce, introduction. You get that? So what's the top part? Introduction.
Body. Conclusion.
All right, let me get one more person. You may have been fast, but I'll see if I can get somebody else. Number 13, where are you?
Jane.
What are my 3 parts? Ready? Is this the conclusion or introduction?
Introduction.
See what you caused? Right away, he already knows it. What's this?
Body.
What's this?
Conclusion.
Ah, shall we give it you are right? You are right. All right, let's make our organizer. Are we ready, my friends? Okay. We're going to make how many parts on our organizer? Do there need to be 3 parts. So watch what we're going to do. Take your finger, just go down a little bit. So you know what you can do? You can almost go like this. See where you bend your finger? Like this? Okay? Just kind of go to your paper, go like that, and say, oh, okay, that's about how far I'm going to go down. And then you're going to go straight across, just like that, and you're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So you have a skinny top, a skinny bottom, and then you have a fat middle. Do it really quickly. Can I just say that I'm looking for people who are doing this quickly? This is college level. I see people right away. They have their pencil, All right, my friends, are we ready? Okay, we're going to have now our introduction, our body, and our conclusion. How many parts will there be?
3.
3. You've got it. So we're going to have, tell me which part this is going to be. Conclusion or introduction?
Introduction.
Oh. What's the middle?
Body.
What's this bottom part?
Conclusion.
Oh, man. All right, let's all do it together. Are we ready, my friends? Okay, here we go. Touch the top. Everybody, what is this? What's the middle?
Body. Conclusion.
Tell the person next to you the different parts. And you can tell those 3 right there. Ready? Go. Ooh, and I see people touching their organizer going, introduction, body, conclusion. I didn't even tell you to do that. Go ahead and do it again. I love it. Okay, my friends, now we are ready to start our lesson. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're learning how to write information, but now I have to tell you what we're learning. We're going to learn about the planet Earth. What are we going to learn about?
The planet Earth.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you some information about the planet Earth. Do you know what college kids do? They don't put up with that. They don't go, oh, okay, we're learning about the planet Earth. Put your hand on your head. Look at me and go, what's the big idea about the planet Earth?
What's the big idea of the planet Earth?
Okay, so I need to introduce the big idea. Where am I going to put the big idea? In the middle or at the top?
Top.
And what's this called? The?
Introduction.
All right, put your hands together and everyone go like this. Secret formula time.
Secret formula time.
You know that when we go to write our introduction, it needs to have a big idea. What does it need?
Big idea.
So I need to tell you the big idea about the planet Earth. I need to tell you something about that. And sometimes it's hard when you're writing to come up with a really good sentence. So the secret formula is going to teach you how to write a big idea sentence like a college student. Like a what?
College student.
All right, watch what I'm going to do. Put your finger on your paper. Go up to where the top box is. Go over to the left a little bit and put an S. Ooh, look how people are already writing that S. Do you see how it's on their paper? I love it. Go to the middle, put another S. Go over here and put a light bulb. I know.
light bulb.
SS light bulb. What's the secret formula?
SS light bulb.
Have you heard of that before?
Yes.
All right, 2 hands out. Point to your teacher and let's give her a ooh. Ready, go. Ooh. Show off. All right, my friends. Here we go. Let's go ahead and let's find out. What's the first S stand for? Setting. Everyone say setting.
Setting.
Say time and place.
Time and place.
So I'm going to tell you information, and I need to tell you what the time and place. Okay, well, let's put that down right now. Let's go over here and put a circle with an arrow. Look how people are doing that right away. Wow, you're already done. Love this. Look how quickly people are doing that. So now, let's go over here and let's read our notes. College students don't write notes down and then stop. They don't keep going. They always review them. So let's go here and let's put our hand in the air and read our notes so far. This is when this information is happening. So let's see. All through time. When is it happening?
All through time.
So I told you when. Now I need to tell you
The place.
the place. Am I jumping over here to the middle S? No. I need 2 pieces of information here. Here's our time. Now I need to tell you the place. Put a circle. Again, look how quickly people are putting information down. Put a squiggly line, put another squiggly line. And now we've made the planet Earth. Are you ready? Let's go ahead. So, is this supposed to be an art project?
No.
Or a fast sketch?
No.
I love that. Everyone put your hand up and go, that would be embarrassing.
That would be embarrassing.
We are writers right now. We're not doing art, are we? Okay, let's go back up and read our notes. Are you ready, my friends? Go. All through time on the... Would I say on the ground, or what is this? Because I am pointing to the ground, Tom, but what do I mean when I'm pointing there? Thank you very much. Let's do it again. Ready? Go. All through time on the planet Earth. Okay, tell the setting to the people at your table. Quickly, go.
All through time to planet Earth.
I even see people acting it out like college kids would. Very impressive. All right, my friends, go to the middle S. Everyone say subject.
Subject.
Put your hands together like you're reading a textbook. Everyone go like this, open the textbook and say subject.
Subject.
So when or where, I'm sorry, who or what is this information about? Ready, go.
Who or what is this information about?
Okay, now, who said ground before? You were reading my mind. We're not going to say ground, I'm going to use another word, but it kind of means that. The land. Let's all go. Way ahead of the game. All right. Ooh, look how people are writing land underneath the subject. I love it. So when I'm talking about the land, what do I mean? Do I mean air? Do I mean this table? Or am I talking about mountains and valleys? Anything that's made of the ground, the dirt, all the mountains? Turn the people at the table. What do I mean by land? Let's see if I can get somebody. Everybody look up here. Let's see, number 1. What do I mean by land?
The grass, the dirt, the rocks.
And give me something that would be really tall and pointy. What on the earth is tall and pointy? Is it a valley or a mountain? Is she right?
Yes.
What about if it's a valley? Well, valleys, could I talk about that? Does that have land on it? So could I say valleys? Everyone go. What do I mean by land? Mountains, valleys, the rocks.
The grass.
So everything on the surface, the dirt, all the surface. And they could be mountains, valleys, all kinds of things. Okay, are we ready? Let's go back and let's read our notes again. Ready, guys? What can I do for land? What can I do for emotion for land? Just show me. What could? Oh, okay. Let's do it. Ready? Ooh, I like how some people went like this, and then like making all the different shapes. Because would it be one shape or would they be different shapes? Oh my God, I love it. Like this and then like this. Okay, let's do that. Ready? Go. All through time on the planet Earth, the land. Okay, everyone go over here to the light bulb and say, what's the big idea about the land?
What's the big idea about the land?
Okay, please listen because this is what information is all about. Right here where the light bulb is. This is where they're treating you like college students. Because you are now going to be scientists. If you look outside, right here where you live, and it was 1,000 years ago, do you think the land looked the same way 1,000 years ago here?
No.
Or was it different?
Different.
So what do we know about the land? Does it always stay the same or does it change? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Oh, so the land is, tell the people at your table, why does it change? Tell the people at your table, go.
It changes
Okay, let's stop for a minute. Let me see if I can get some people who can tell me. Number 6, where are you? What, the land changes, how does it change?
It changes.
What could cause change on the land? I'm going to be outside. Are you ready? I'm going to give you one here. You just tell me. You're going to be a scientist. Pretend I'm outside. You ready? I walk outside and all of a sudden it's like, what is that that's causing change? Would wind cause change? I wish I could do time travel. Boy, let me tell you. But what would that be? Wind. Is my friend right?
Yeah.
Everyone look at him and say, he's acting like a scientist.
Yeah.
That's what scientists do. They observe things. And the scientist, I was asking you, what causes change? You're thinking in your head, what do I know that causes the earth to change? But let's go back over here to this. The land changes. Okay, let's put changes here. But here's the, look how you're writing that down. Do you see how you're writing down changes right away? Love it. The land changes, but here's the big thing. Okay? Sometimes it changes. Everyone go like this. Slowly. And sometimes it changes